Spectrum series of hydrogen atom. In the spectrum of hydrogen atom, the various series found in hydrogen spectrum are Lyman series, which falls in ultraviolet region, Balmer series falls in visible region, Paschen series is infrared region, this is rather near infrared region, Brackett series falls in infrared region, and Pfund series P is silent falls in far infrared region. Infinite number of lines are obtained in each series. Hydrogen spectrum was explained by Bohr by using quantum theory. Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom or Bohr atomic model, these are the formula MVR is equal to NH over 2 pi or Rn is equal to 1 over 9 into 10 power 9 into n square h square divided by 4 m pi z into e square. By putting the values of h, m, we get R1 is equal to 0.53 into 10 power minus 10 meter or 0.53 Armstrong. We can also take 0.529 Armstrong, which we have done earlier. So if we make it rounding off, then it comes out to be 0.53 Armstrong. Rn is equal to n square into R1, that is R2 is 4 times R1 and R3 is 9 times R1. This ratio will remain same for all the elements. Vn, that is velocity of energy level n, will be given by 1 over 4 pi epsilon into 2 pi z into e squared divided by nh. After substituting the values, you will find that velocity in nth orbit is inversely proportional to 1 over n, and Vn is directly proportional to z, that is atomic number. That velocity of electron in first orbit of hydrogen atom can be calculated by substituting the values, and it will come out to be V1 is equal to 2.2 into 10 power 6 meter per second. Vn is also equal to V1 over n, that is V2 will be V1 over 2, V3 will be V1 over 3 and so on, because Vn is inversely proportional to n. Energy can also be written as minus R into H into C into Z square divided by n square. R is Rydberg constant. For hydrogen atom, when Z is equal to 1, En is equal to minus RHC divided by n square. Rydberg constant is 1.097 into 10 to the power 7 meter inverse into H 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by n square. After substituting the values in electron volt, we get En is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square in electron volt. For first orbit, for ground state of hydrogen, N1 is equal to 1, so the energy comes out to be minus 13.6 electron volt, which is minimum value. For second orbit, or that is for first excited state, N is equal to 2, so E2 comes out to be minus 13.6 divided by 2 square, that is 4, and will be equal to minus 3.4 electron volt. E3 will be 1.51 electron volt and E4 will be minus 0.85 electron volt. E5 will be minus 0.54 electron volt. You can see that as we go higher, the difference between energy levels goes on decreasing. And for last orbit, that is for ionized state, E infinity will be equal to minus 13.6 over infinity square will be equal to 0, which is the maximum value. First excitation energy of hydrogen atom will be equal to E2 minus E1, that is minus 3.4 minus 13.6, that is 10.2 electron volt. So this is the first excitation potential for hydrogen atom, that is 10.2 electron volt. For hydrogen Z is equal to 1, nu bar will be equal to 1 over lambda, which is equal to Rydberg constant into 1 over n1 square minus 1 over n2 square. Unit of wave number will be meter inverse or centimeter inverse in CGS system, meter inverse in MKS system. Spectrum of hydrogen atom corresponding to transition of electron in different energy levels, various spectral lines are obtained. This is the emission spectrum of hydrogen. Check, electrons are falling from various energy level to first energy level, we get Lyman series. When electrons from various energy level fall back to second energy level, we get Balmer series. And when electrons from various energy level come back to third energy level, we get Paschen series. And in electrons from various energy level fall to fourth energy level, we get bracket series. And electrons from various energy level fall to fifth energy level, we got Pfund series. And nowadays, when the electrons from various energy levels come back to sixth energy level, it is called Humphrey series, which is not shown in the diagram. It is emission spectrum of hydrogen. Next, we are taking Lyman series. In this series, the electron jumps from any outer orbit, that is n is equal to 1 and n2 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. So the wavelength of the emit radiation is given by 1 over lambda is equal to Rydberg constant into 1 minus 1 over n2 square. For n2 is equal to 2, first line of Lyman series is obtained. It will be of longest wavelength and lowest energy. N2 will be equal to 3, second line of Lyman series is obtained. Similarly, when N2 is equal to infinity, last line or series limit of Lyman series is obtained. This will be of shortest wavelength and highest energy, and this series lies in ultraviolet region. Find the longest wavelength and series limit of Lyman series. For longest wavelength, we substitute N2 is equal to 2 and we calculate, it comes 1 over lambda comes out to be 3r by 4, or lambda is equal to 4 by 3r. 4 by 3 into 912, 1 over r is equal to 912 Armstrong. So the answer comes out to be 1216 Armstrong. And the series limit is given by 1 over lambda is equal to r into 1 minus 1 over n2 square. For series limit, n2 will be equal to infinity. And 1 over infinity is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1 over r, which is equal to 912 Armstrong. Balmer series, in this series, the electron jumps from any other outer orbit to second orbit. That is, n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Wavelength of the line is given by 1 over lambda is equal to Rydberg constant into 1 over 2 square, which is fixed, minus 1 over n2 square, which is variable, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. For n2 is equal to 3, first line of Balmer series is obtained. It is also called H alpha line. It will be of longest wavelength and lowest energy. For n is equal to n2 is equal to 4, second line of Balmer series is obtained. It is also called H beta line. Similarly, for H gamma and L delta line, etc., we can find out. For n2 is equal to infinity, last line of Balmer series is obtained. It is also called series limit of the series. It will be of shortest wavelength and highest energy. This series lies in visible region. Series limit lambda comes out to be 3646 Armstrong and lies in near ultraviolet region. Calculation can be done in the same way as we have done in Lyman series. Find the wavelength of H alpha line of Balmer series. Here H alpha line n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is equal to 3. We substitute the values. 1 over lambda comes out to be 5r over 36. Lambda will be 36 over 5r, that is 36 by 5 into 912 Armstrong. Why? Because 1 over r is equal to 912 Armstrong. Lambda comes out to be 6563 Armstrong. Next, we are taking Paschen series. This series is obtained when the electron jumps from any outer orbit to the third orbit. That is, n1 is equal to 3, which will remain fixed. n2 will be 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinity. Formula will become 1 over lambda is equal to Rydberg constant into 1 over 3 square minus 1 over n2 square. For n2 is equal to 4, first line of Paschen series is obtained. It is of longest wavelength and lowest energy. For n2 is equal to 5, second line of Paschen series is obtained. Similarly, for n2 is equal to infinity, last line or series limit of this series is obtained. It will be of shortest wavelength and highest energy. This series lies in infrared region. For this series, the longest wavelength is 18,761.1 Armstrong and shortest wavelength is 8,208 Armstrong. Bracket series. This series is obtained when the electron jumps from any outer to the fourth orbit. That is, n1 is equal to 4, which is fixed. n2 will be 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. So the wavelength is given by 1 over lambda is equal to Rydberg constant into 1 over 4 square minus 1 over n2 square. For n2 is equal to 5, first line of bracket series is obtained. It is line of longest wavelength and lowest energy. n2 is equal to 6, second line of bracket series is obtained. Similarly, for n2 is equal to infinity, last line of bracket series is obtained. It is line of shortest wavelength and highest energy. It is also called series limit of this series. This series lies in infrared region. For bracket series, the longest wavelength is 40,533.3 Armstrong and series limit is 14,592 Armstrong. Last series is Pfund series. This is obtained when electron jumps from any outer orbit to fifth orbit. So n1 is 5, n2 is 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 over lambda is equal to Rydberg constant into 1 over 5 square minus 1 over n2 square. For n2 is equal to 6, first line of Pfund series is obtained. It is of longest wavelength and lowest energy. For n2 is equal to 7, second line or series limit, second line will be obtained. Similarly, for n2 is equal to infinity, last line or series limit is obtained. This series also lies in infrared region. For this series, the longest wavelength is 74,618 into 0.18 Armstrong and series limit is 22,800 Armstrong. In absorption spectrum, the lines are shown like this. These are transition for Lyman series, that electrons are going from first energy level to various energy levels. In emission spectrum, due to high temperature, electrons are present in all possible orbits, hence in emission spectrum all series are obtained. But in absorption spectrum, due to low temperature, almost are present in first orbit only. Therefore, almost all the electrons are present in first orbit only. Therefore, in absorption spectrum of hydrogen atom, we get only Lyman series. In emission spectrum, due to high temperature, electrons are present in all possible orbits. Hence, in emission spectrum, all series are obtained. But in absorption spectrum, due to low temperature, almost all the electron present in first orbit, we get absorption spectrum of hydrogen atom. Only Lyman series is obtained. Dependence of various parameters on atomic number Z. Radius of orbit R is inversely proportional to Z. Total energy of electron is directly proportional to Z square. Frequency of emitted radiation is directly proportional to Z square. Wavelength of emitted radiation lambda is inversely proportional to Z square. And change in energy from one level to another delta E is proportional to Z square.